The condition of man is the condition of war of everyone against everyone. Unnecessary laws are not good laws, but traps for money. If nobody makes you do it, it counts as fun. If any two men desire the same thing, which nevertheless they cannot both enjoy, they become enemies. Wisdom properly so called is nothing else but this, the perfect knowledge of the truth in all matters whatsoever. The passions of men are commonly more potent than their reason. For there are very few so foolish who would not rather govern themselves than be governed by others. The end of knowledge is power. The scope of all speculation is the performing of some action or thing to be done. For if all things were equally in all men, nothing would be prized. Silence is sometimes an argument of consent. A man cannot lay down the right of resisting them that assault him by force to take away his life. Words are the counters of wise men, but the money of fools. True and false are attributes of speech, not of things, and where speech is not, there is neither truth nor falsehood.